Hello, welcome to the new My Mark VII software showcase. This software will be the new home for all future monitoring and alert needs for all of your car washes. Expect new features to be implemented as we transition to this new software. Let's get started. Upon logging in, you will be greeted with the dashboard. This is your home page. From top to bottom, we start with a map. This map has multiple features, like light and dark mode, as well as weather information with the precipitation and temperature modes, which are useful since the machines will enter a freeze protection mode at certain temperatures. This map will contain one or more pins, representing the sites that you as a user have access to, with green pins representing a site that is online and operational, orange pins representing a site that is offline, which may be operational but isn't communicating with our systems, therefore viewing real-time updates will not be possible. And finally, red pins, representing a site that is not functional and in an error state. When clicking on a pin on the map, you will access a small pop-up menu with basic information on the site, including site name, status, and address. This menu allows you to access the machine page directly when clicking on the site name, but don't worry, we will go more into depth on the machine page soon. Below this map, you will be able to see all, if any, sites that are currently in an error state. Clicking on the site will also take you to the previously mentioned machine page. Finally, at the bottom of this page, you will find your favorites tab. This is useful if you operate multiple sites, with some sites requiring more attention than others. If we look at the left side of the screen, we will find two different tabs. The Dashboard tab, which is the one that we are currently on, and the Technical Location tab. Let's go check that one out. Here you will see a list of all your wash systems in one page. Like before, you will find basic information such as site name, address, and status. When clicking on the machine, it will take you to the aforementioned machine page, where we can view more detailed information regarding your car wash. At the top, we start with the name of your car wash. If it has a shield with a check mark, this means the machine has a service warranty agreement with Mark VII. Below that, you will see a few tabs with status information regarding your wash. The Online tab tells us if the wash is communicating with Mark VII systems. The Status tab will have either a green, gray, or red circle, representing the operational status of the wash. The last two tabs will provide information on the wash status and the lifetime wash count of the machine. Next, we will see a live view of the CP0, the wash's terminal. This will update live and will reflect whatever the CP0 is currently displaying, like wash status, error codes, among other things we will cover later. If the wash is in error state, you will find a box below the CP0, displaying a full description of the error, with some even providing remedies. To the right, you will find contact information for our help desk team. Feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns. Scrolling down, we will find the report section displaying multiple types of data, like total washes, gross revenue, average washing price, and finally, wash package distribution, which can be all filtered by day, week, month, or year. Below that is the event log. Here we have access to all actions performed by the machine with information regarding the time, name, and severity of the event. There are multiple types of filters you can use to view different types of events and/or specific date ranges. Up next, we have the Sensors section, which provides information regarding the quality of the car wash's eyes. These eyes are cameras that aid the wash in detecting the shape of the car and its distance from the cameras. You will see a percentage next to each eye representing its visibility. If you see an eye with low visibility, it most likely needs to be cleaned as dirt and debris can affect these percentages. Close to the bottom of the page, we find the Digital Services section, where you can find any other services your machine was commissioned with. And finally, at the very end of the page, we have the Warranty and Service Agreement section, where you can find information regarding warranty and/or service agreement expiration dates. Before we end, let's revisit the bell and star icons at the top right of the page. Starting with the bell icon, this feature allows you to turn on alert notifications for the machine called inactivity and severity or events. When enabling inactivity alerts, you will receive an email notifying you your machine has been inactive for your desired alert time, ranging from 1 to 9 hours. If we enable severity or events, you will be able to choose one of two options. The first option will alert you on any event with a severity level of 5 or higher, while the second option gives you a more granular control on which events you wish to be notified for. The star icon will add this particular machine to your favorites, which can be quickly accessed at the bottom of the Dashboard tab. If you have any machine or software issues, you will find a feedback option to the left of the page, where you can report any problems, make suggestions, or just provide us with general feedback on your experience. That's it for the new My Mark VII software showcase. This software is still in its early stages, so expect more features to be integrated soon. Thank you and have a nice day.